Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I hope that all my lovely friends and family members will be fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smile and enjoy every moment of your life. So dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Lovely viewers, I am very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my all the previous videos. So guys, today I am sharing with you most unique and outclass kitchen organization designs and ideas. This is something so beautiful and so attractive. Lovely viewers, I hope that you will like my videos and you will enjoy every idea of the kitchen organization. And if you like these ideas, then friend, encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel by liking my video and sharing my video with your friends and family members. Dear friends, kitchen organization is very important in such case if you have low space in your kitchen. This is very beautiful and outclass collection for women. So dear friends, our kitchen storage and organization idea keep convenience and spices in easy to carry. Dear friends, so the best kitchen organization ideas and storage products for your fridge, island, pantry and space of the dusting. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribing my channel you will receive notification about new videos related to kitchen organization and home decoration. And home decoration are for those ladies, for those who want to cater your home. This is very beautiful and outclass video. Support them. Lovely viewers, please subscribe our channel and connect it with me, and don't forget to click the bell icon. I will meet you in my next video. I will bring you a lot of cool amazing stuff related to home decoration and kitchen design ideas, kitchen decoration ideas, bedroom decoration ideas. So guys, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Tata, bye bye.